it's Patty from the studio. Hope everyone is doing well, staying safe and healthy. I have a quick little haul to show. It was 50% off at my new favorite local thrift store. So let's just see what I picked up and why. And while you're here, if you like the content, please hit the like, subscribe, comment buttons, and let me know what you like seeing, what you want to see more of, and I appreciate you taking the time to hang out with me for a little while. So let's get hauling. So here's the haul from my visit to the 50% off day at the thrift store. And, you know, the holidays are coming. No matter what's going on in the world, we're going to still have holidays. So I'm kind of keeping my eye out for Christmas or holiday related items, gift giving, etc. So the first item I found was a Gildan sweatshirt, which is a good quality, and it was marked $10, so it came to $5, and it's a fun Santa, trying to get it all out here with one hand, and doing, I think it's called the dab, and I might be showing my age, but I think that's what it's called. I just thought it was fun, nice quality, modern, and just fun. And I don't know if people are going to be having ugly Christmas sweater parties this year, but I thought, hey, what is great top for Zoom when you have your virtual parties? So that's why I got this one. And I would never buy this kind of stuff except this time of the year. And this is from AB Studio, a really pretty maxi skirt, elastic waist, boho. And I just thought it was really pretty. And the tag is somewhere, but I think it was $7.99, so $4. A lot of fun colors in like a spandexy jersey material, maxi skirt. I thought that was fun. Easy to ship. Then the final item in the clothing was these pajama bottoms from Paul Stewart. That's his little monkey icon logo. And very good condition. I thought the colors were fun. And again, Paul Stewart was a good name. And I'm sorry, I apologize if it still is. I'm not sure. But it came out to $3. And the label, size XL. And just really a comfy little, perhaps, Zoom bottom. In these days, we need to think about Zoom outfits. And you want to be comfortable. Party on the bottom, business on the top, like an opposite mullet. Anyway, I digress. For $5, I picked up this really pretty vintage, I was assuming vintage handbag. I like the tortoiseshell closing in a chocolate brown suede. And then when I opened it up, it's got some little extra goodies. It's got the original comb and mirror, and it's by Pichel. I didn't know the name, but I looked it up, and this is from the 1940s. And it's got attached little coin and wallet inside. There's no rips, no tears, no stinky. And I think the sun is a little too bright. Hold on. Let's see. Okay, that's much better. Apologize for that. And my finger, I haven't had enough coffee today. But anyway, carrying on. So this was $5 with the discount. And again, even just this closure with the tortoiseshell, really pretty. Good condition. She has to kind of be dusted a little bit. But like I said, when I researched it, it's from the 1940s. Not sure where it was made, so I need to do a little bit more on that. But I thought that was a great find. And then my sister-in-law collects Spode Christmas, so I found this really nice cup and saucer, 75 cents. So I sent her a text and I'm going to give that to her this weekend to add to her collection. And the interesting thing about Spode, which I didn't know until I started really looking at it, you know, you see a lot of holly or Christmas trees out there, different companies. But the way to know it's Spode without looking at the bottom to confirm it is it has a Santa on the top of the tree. I don't know if you can see it through the tape. But that's their trademark, and if you see something that looks very similar, and you're like, oh, I wonder if that's Spode, and it's not marked and you're not sure, if it doesn't have that Santa on the top of the tree, it is not Spode. So just really pretty. I'm glad I found one for her. Then these two glasses are from Ed Hardy, and I want to get these out pretty quickly because, you know, they could be Halloween decor for somebody. And I know, again, I apologize if it's still like a really big brand, but I know back in the day it was really huge. And signed, Do or Die, and then the other one is kind of a Day of the Dead look. But this is, you know, very iconic design of Ed Hardy's. Then this pretty little item is cobalt blue vintage glass roller skate, tall boot. It's got a diamond pattern on the top and then a more textured design, the lace-up Victorian style roller skate. A lot of different glass manufacturers did this, so I can't attribute it. I would love to say it's Fenton, but I don't know, so I can't claim it. There are no marks, and a lot of manufacturers did this. I thought it was a toothpick holder, and then in my research, what it actually was used for was a matchstick holder, and you would use this textured bottom to strike the match. But again, cobalt blue, you know, especially if you put it in the light, people love cobalt blue glass in general, and I just thought this was really a fun find. Next up, thinking Christmas, Department 56 is a brand that sells well for me. It's highly collectible, so it was $1. In the box, it was originally for a fundraiser, and it's a polar bear ornament. The box is a little beat up, but I always tell people that. And I checked, and the inside, the bear is there, in good condition. That's all in French. I'm trying to see. Yeah, so originally it was 1850, 2004. So it's not vintage yet. Vintage is 20 years. Antique is 100. Just FYI. So it's got, the artist is Patrice Brewster. And, you know, Christmas is coming. I say it every time, and I apologize because I say it every time. Ashtrays are big. It's not that people are smoking more than they used to, but they are smoking more cannabis than they used to due to its legalization in many states. So I find ashtrays overall do really well. And I found two that are Lenox. Now Lenox is a hit or miss brand for me. Depends on the year, it depends on the item. Lenox, there's just so much of it out there. It's not as desirable as it used to be. So when you're doing your research on Lenox, you want to look up the mark, because the type of mark, focus, where it's made, and the color of the mark easily tell you when this is from. My guess is these are 1980s, but again, I haven't researched it. But, you know, Google, it's amazing what's out there, and you can really definitively say when something was made. So this one ashtray is oval. It's got some pretty details on it. Very clean. The gold isn't chipped or faded. It's got kind of a diamondy pattern with that embellishment. The second Lenox ashtray is larger, circular. It's got, again, very similar markings. The gold is excellent condition. It's not dirty. So I don't even know if these, you know, the original owners even used it for its original intention. And it's the same mark, color, made in the USA. So some more research will be done on that. Then the final items, I actually have a set of these plates in a different pattern. They're from the designer Debbie Mum, and she had very recognizable designs, patterns, like folk arty, and I found 4 plates. They were each marked $2, so they came down to $1 each, so I got the 4 plates for $4. And it's got all the information back here, and that's 2000, so that has hit the vintage category. Sakura, and it's the Jolly Snowman, and Debbie Mum, Mum's the word. I mean, she had an amazing licensed brand. She did a lot of things. I have a lot of plates and mugs for Christmas, and she did fabrics. So I think this is going to do well. And again, it's a set of 4 different snowmen. I liked the blue background. Excellent condition. I mean, this kind of china is pretty durable. So you have that design, number 3. And like this trim, she used on almost everything for holiday. And like I said, I have a set of my own that I use every Christmas. And then this is number 4. I think this is definitely going to do well, especially on an investment of $4. So my total for everything came to $26. And again, the Spode I'm going to be giving away, but the rest of it, I feel pretty confident that I'm going to get my money back fairly quickly. My guess is these plates will go very quickly. I think the Ed Hardy will go very quickly. And I think actually the sweatshirt and the jammies are going to go pretty quickly. This could be hit or miss, but I do pretty well with it. The handbag is going to be a specific customer, and we'll see. The boot is also, you know, it does well. The comps show it does well. But what I find when I have a lot of different collectibles, they don't move as quickly as things like clothes or accessories. So you kind of have to be patient, wait for the right buyer, and they will show up. So that's it for today. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, and I hope you're all doing well out there, and I'll see you again next time from the studio. Bye for now.